In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download InShot on your laptop in just a few easy steps. First, open any web browser and search for InShot. From the search results, open the official InShot website. Next, open the Start menu on your laptop and search for Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type InShot and press Enter. If the app appears in the search results, click Install or Get to begin downloading it. If you can't find InShot in the Microsoft Store, don't worry. InShot may not be available for Windows in your region, or the developer may no longer offer it through the Microsoft Store. In that case, visit the official InShot website to check whether a Windows version is available or whether there are any official download options for your device. Once the installation is complete, you can launch InShot from the Start menu and begin editing your videos.